Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm collabing with my brother's lovely sister, awkward.
Hey guys.
Callie Johnston. So first off, I just want to address all the technical issues that I've been having in my videos. I'm very, very sorry. I promise that this video is going to be a lot better. Yes. I just hope you guys do not give up on me yet because I'm just not the most tech savvy person. Today, I'm just going to show you guys how to get this bronzy, super glowy.
Yeah, bronzy. I just did this blue, like, glittery. So, yeah.
So yeah, please do not forget to like it and subscribe to my channel because I would really appreciate it, and from the bottom of my heart, I really thank you guys for coming back to my channel and watching it. I will link all my social media below along with Callie's. Check out her YouTube channel also, and we will now get into the video, so stay tuned. Mwah! So we're both going to start off with our brows. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, like always, in dark brown.
Me too, but in blonde.
Now we're going to start our eyes, and I'm going to just go in with my MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre and put that all over my eyelids.
And then I'm just priming with my NARS concealer.
Now I'm going to set my eyelid with S'more from my Tartelette Toasted palette.
I'm just setting my concealer with just some white eyeshadow.
So now I'm going to be taking Sauced and Low Blow from my Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to put that in my crease for my first transition shade.
And then I'm just going in with one of these Arbonne brushes and packing the blue on. And then I'm just blending that eyeshadow with my Morphe brush. Also adding in Destiny, it's like this greenish shade over that. It's gonna be really dark.
Now with my Man Eater palette, I'm going to be taking Purr and Saucy and also putting that in my crease. Now I'm taking Midnight from my Man Eater palette and putting that in my lower crease and the outer corner.
So now I'm just going to carve out my lid with the NARS concealer. Diamond Dust Stila glitter for the lid. Okay. Now I'm just going back in with the blue shades and kind of blending that back in.
And now over that cut crease, I'm going to be going in with Sunset from the Toasted palette. I don't even know. Looking pretty rough right now, but just wait till the end.
Just wait till the end. Wait for us to glow up. You'll see. What if you just went out with this with no face? Like, just your eyes?
I'm just using the same lashes as my Valentine's Day video. They're gonna be these Mink 3D lashes. Oh, what's on my finger? Oh, it's off.
Just spilled in my
These are from
makeup
Callie.
bag. Also using the same lashes my Valentine's Day and every video, actually.
See, these are my real lashes. Look how little. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty primer and just put that on my face. And now I'm going in with my Cover FX primer, blurring primer, and putting that mostly in my pores. Smashbox Photo Finish foundation primer, pore minimizing.
Ooh.
Photo Finish color correcting adjust in green to color correct my redness.
And then
now I'm going in with my Naked Skin color correcting fluid in green and putting that over my red spots too. Now we're going to color correct under the eyes with my Naked Skin color correcting fluid in pink. Now we're going to start our foundation, and I'm going to be going in with my Huda Beauty and Cheesecake mixed with Born This Way and Golden, and also mixing in my Cover FX custom enhancing drops in Moonlight.
And then I'm using the L'Oreal Pro Glow in 202 and mixing that with the Arbonne foundation in Buff.
And like usual, I'm going darker than my actual face color because my body doesn't match my face. So now I'm going to cream contour my face with my Anastasia foundation stick in Mink.
And then I'm contouring mine also with the Arbonne Sheer and Glow Stick. Okay, now I'm just going to bronze up my face using the Arbonne bronzer.
For concealer, I'm going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Macadamia. And I'm also going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape in Light Medium.
And then I'm just going to use my NARS concealer.
I'm going to bake with my Derma Blend loose setting powder in Original.
And then I'm just gonna bake with my Laura Mercier.
Cooking up and baking a little bit. We sizzling, we boiling, we what is all the words?
Heating.
Just put us in the oven at 350 degrees and we'll be right back. I'm gonna bronze my face with my Chocolate Soleil in medium deep matte bronzer.
I'm just wiping off my powder now.
I'm just going to wipe off my loose setting powder. Now we're going to start our under eyes, and I'm going to be going in with Sauced and Low Blow for my Naked Heat palette.
And then I'm just going back in with the blue Axis from the Soap Couture palette, putting that under my eyes.
And I'm just using this Morphe Little Precise brush for it.
I'm just using this little tiny Arbonne brush.
Now with this more precise small brush from Morphe, I'm going in with Midnight right here.
Lenny's so extra. She does all this extra stuff.
Now I'm going in with my pencil double duty liner in black and putting that in my waterline. Now I'm just going in with my Lights Camera Lashes mascara by Tarte in black and putting that under my eyes.
And then I'm lining my waterline with the Arbonne eyeliner.
So now I'm going in with my blush, and I'm using Blush Copper from my Becca Skia Press palette.
And then I'm using my Tarte blush and Quirky.
And I'm just going to use a Becca blush brush for this. Yes. And now for my highlight, I'm going to be going in with Glow Getter right here from the Nicole Guerrero Anastasia palette, and I'm going to be mixing that with Hustler Baby from the Fenty Beauty highlight. Oh, you can't even see it. Right here.
And then first I'm going in with my Becca and Champagne Pop, and then after that using Eclipse from this palette that Lenny gave me.
Okay, now I'm going in.
This is so hard.
I'm going in with my lip liner. It's just Revlon Color Stay in Nude. And to outline my lips, I'm going in with Ashton from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick. For the middle of my lips, I'm going in with Stripped from the Anastasia. And then I'm just going to go over with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and put that over it. Alright. And now Callie's going to show you what she does for her lips. She was busy.
I actually didn't bring lips.
Oh, go ahead.
Go ahead, girl. So I'm going to use Lenny's Melted Chocolate Too Faced and Milkshake.
These are how our looks turned out. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I think our looks turned out really pretty, and I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to thumbs it up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and thanks so much for coming back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Bye.